Hey guys, welcome to Diaries of a Single Igbo Girl living and trying to make in the city of Lagos. First of all, congratulations to me because I made a new hair. Don't mind my look. I was trying to see if I could style my hair here, but I wasn't just getting anything forthcoming because the hair was still pinning me and I could not just style it the way I would have loved to. So yeah, that's why I'm giving that face of, I'm tired. So moving forward, I started feeling myself in my new hair. Yeah, gay because you all know what it means to make a new hair in this regime. Come on, give me some credit. It's not easy. Gay, fine, yeah. Okay, you guys, I proceeded to feeling myself because now the skin is always skinning. After that, I decided to take some oranges, and yes, back to the main reason why I'm making this video. I'm going to share a story with you all. I'm going to be sharing a very short story of a girl called Martha. Martha is a single girl who, has been through a whole lot. She has been through a series of heartbreaks. She hasn't really been lucky with men. And she's a rich kid. She's from a rich home, but she hasn't really been lucky when it comes to finding love. Men have served her different shades, different plates, different colors of breakfast. And she's actually a sad girl going through a whole lot. So now, in a bid to move away from all of the toxicity, the negative vibes and all, she decided to relocate to a certain city. She left her town, she traveled, and then in her new city she found this friend whose name is Gift and happens to share the same story just like Martha. Gift has also been through a series of heartbreaks. She has had her own fair share of disappointments from men. So being that they share the same story, they began to bond, they became very close. And Martha, being the rich kid that she was, started, spending on Gift. She would take her out on vacations. Like, they became more like sisters. They were very close. Their relationship was beyond friendship. They were sisters, literally, because Martha would do anything for Gift, and Gift would also do anything for Martha. Eventually, Martha decided to give love a chance again because she found this guy who seemed to be really into her. The guy literally made her believe that he was willing to do anything for her and he was ready to spend the rest of his life with her. Sooner than later, this guy proposed and the two girls were very happy because, this is a prayer they have always been waiting to be answered, and they had a wedding to plan. So they were very happy and all over the place. Now, fast forward to the eve of the wedding. That's a night before the wedding. This guy called Martha that he wanted to discuss something with her. And during their discussion, he told her that he wasn't going to proceed with the wedding anymore because he was not in love with Martha. And the person he actually truly loved was her friend Gift, and they've been seeing each other for a while. So he wasn't pushing through with the wedding. Now, if you were in Martha's shoes, what would you do?